Number 5. ARIFAYZ Dual Dash Cam. The ARIFAYZ Dual Dash Cam is a robust guardian for your vehicle, featuring 4K plus 1080p resolution to capture clear front and rear views effortlessly. With a GC CMOS sensor and wide-angle lenses, it ensures detailed recordings of crucial moments, day or night, including license plates and road signs. What makes it stand out? Built-in 2.4 gig Wi-Fi and a user-friendly app streamline video management and sharing directly from your smartphone. Its compact design fits discreetly behind your rearview mirror, ensuring minimal distraction during driving. Concerned about your parked car? The 24-hour parking mode, activated with an optional hardwire kit, records any incidents automatically, providing continuous security. This dash cam also boasts outstanding night vision, thanks to its f1.5 aperture and WDR technology, giving you peace of mind on the road at all times. From its upgraded features to its easy installation process and top-notch performance, the ARIFAYZ Dual Dash Cam is a reliable choice for any driver. So, if you want to stay ahead of the game and protect your vehicle, try out this must-have gadget today.